Alright, now let me show you something very interesting here. This is the S25 Ultra with One UI 8.5 Beta 8 and almost in the verge of getting the stable version. Maybe one more beta to go, we are not very sure, but we can expect the stable version soon. And this is the S26 Ultra currently on 8.5 stable. Now on these two One UI 8.5 devices, when it comes to the Now Brief widget customization, there is a big, huge difference. And that is what I wanted to show you guys in this video. Now you see, if I press and hold on this widget here, the Now Brief widget, and go to settings, I just get these basic options to customize it. We have got color options, light, dark, and we just have match phone settings. And we have got the shapes options available over here. We have got about 5 different shapes for the Now Brief widget. That's what we get on the One UI 8.5 Beta 8 on the S25 series. Now, if you look at the stable One UI 8.5, if I press and hold on the widget here, Now Brief widget, and tap on settings, we have got different options here, starting with the background toggle. Now, if I want to remove the background completely, I can just tap on this and this is how it looks. Complete background has been removed. No other options over here. If I enable it, you will see background type, opacity, and colors. And we also have shapes over here. Now you see the difference here. It's actually pretty big. Now let me select basic here, and under basic, look at this opacity here. It is a frosted glass background which look beautiful. Now I can increase the opacity here. You can see we have got 4 steps here to make it completely black, or you can make it frosted glass which look beautiful. Now that's for the basic. Now if I select dynamic color, you can see again I can change the opacity here. I can set it to minimum, mid, or maximum. Now these are the additional options that we see on the S26 series One UI 8.5, not available on the S25 series. Now if I look at the calendar widget here, if I tap on settings, here we have got the background option and I can enable it or disable it and then change the opacity here. But still we don't have both basic and dynamic color options for the calendar widget again. Now this specific menu we see only for the Now Brief widget. If I look at the calendar here, I don't see that additional option. We just see similar option that we have on the S25 series. Only for the Now Brief, there is a big difference here. And this is going to be amazing to have on all different widgets on the Galaxy phone. And I hope Samsung takes a note of this and provides these kind of customization options for all the widgets. That would be just perfect. Let me know what you think. Drop a comment. I just wanted to make this video and inform you guys or show you guys the difference between these two widget customization options. And let's hope that this feature comes to the rest of the Galaxy phones on One UI 8.5 stable release. That is something which I want to share with you guys in today's video. Thanks for watching. Hope you have already subscribed to the channel. Hit the like button if you find this video informative. And if you love this background here, it's a teal gradient background. It's available on Volvo's application. All you need to do is just hit search and search for gradient. Let me just search for gradient here. Just type gradient. You will see the first search result over here. That is what I've set on the home screen here. And this wallpaper was recently added. You will be able to see that under premium section. Just scroll down. You will see those wallpapers right over here. The link for the app is in the description. Do rate us 5-star on Play Store. That will be great. We have just crossed 100K downloads for Volvo's application. Thanks to you guys for using our application. We are also rated 4.2. Let's take it above 4.5. I really need your help in getting this done. So go ahead, rate the application 5-star. I would really appreciate that. Thanks all for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.